Hi, this is Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach, Missouri. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the Solstice 240 Harris tritoon. This boat has the all-new Mercury Verado 300 horsepower. This is a non-supercharged V8. It's lighter and more powerful. This trailer's got the boat up on a trailer. These are the Lake Ozark 27-inch tune package. Got different lifting strokes on the boat. Boat handles the water very nice and turns on a dime. Moving up, stainless steel ladder. You can see that we have, again, the Mercury 300, ski tow bar, single lounger, pillow top interior, very large storage area for all your boat gear, noodles, tubes. This here flips back and forth if you're coved out, or if you're underway, you get back up in here. You've got the Ultralux seat, extremely comfortable on a raised helm. Flip down armrest. We have 2 batteries and a battery switch tucked out of the way, not taking any of your prime real estate in the storage department. And here we've got extra storage, port exit gate, again a forward exit gate. This cushion up front holds a lot of people, getting everybody around the Lake of the Ozarks. Boat has the upgraded 12-foot bimini. This is Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach, Missouri. Give us a call, 573-286-1130. Have a great day.